Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain one topic, that is the conversion from the infix expression to the postfix expression. Right? Infix expression is given here a plus b star c plus d. Right? If any expression will be given, first add one left parenthesis at the starting of the expression and add one right parenthesis at the end of the expression. Whatever expression will be given there as infix, right? Before that, add one left parenthesis and end of that expression add one right parenthesis. Okay, after that draw one table like this: serial number, scan symbol, stack and output. Right? And scan this expression from the left to right, this side. This is first left parenthesis, this is the left parenthesis. Okay, so scan first symbol, this is the left parenthesis. Right? If any operator or parenthesis will occur, that will be put into the stack. Right? And if any operand will be there, then that will be directly will write here. So see here, first one is the left parenthesis, right? Put into the stack. Again, second one is the left parenthesis. Okay, here put this into the stack. Right? What is the third symbol? That is the A. When you are scanning A, right? So A will be stored here only in the output column. Okay, and again next one is the plus is an operator, so plus will be inserted into the stack. Right? Plus will be inserted into the stack. Now see here, this is very important point. This is the right parenthesis. When right parenthesis will occur, see here, this is the right parenthesis. When right parenthesis will occur, right, then you have to pop the element from the stack. You have to pop the element from the stack, right, until the you are not getting the left parenthesis. Right? What is the question? Means when you are inserting the right parenthesis into the stack, that time, right, this will pop the all element inside this bracket, means this and this. Okay, so this is the right parenthesis. When right parenthesis, right, during solving of the such kind of the problem, when right parenthesis will occur, then you have to pop the all element from the stack, right, until you are not getting the left parenthesis, and that element will be put into the in here output. So you can see, when right parenthesis will occur, then you have to pop the this plus and you have to put here into the output. Right? So it will be the AB plus. Right? Now next element is the star. Okay, simply put it into the stack. Right? Put into the stack, and when again left parenthesis is there, again put this left parenthesis into the stack. Right? Write this as it is. After the left parenthesis, C is there. Okay, now C is one operand, so it will be directly will be paste here in the output column. AB plus C. After that, after the C, next symbol is plus. You can see here, when this is the operator, so it will be inserted into the stack. Right? Next point is the D. You can see D is one operand, so it will be inserted into the output column. AB plus CD. Right? Now after the D, this is the right parenthesis. Right? You can see after the D, this is the right parenthesis. When any right parenthesis will occur, what you have to do? You have to pop the element from the stack. Right? That is the inside the parenthesis, means left parenthesis. This is the right parenthesis. When you will insert here, right, inside the right parenthesis and left parenthesis, whatever means operators are there, that will be popped from here and it will be pasted here into the output column. Right? And you have to remove this one left parenthesis also. Right? When right parenthesis will occur. So by using this right parenthesis, this complete, right, have been finished. This plus have been pasted here. at the end right parenthesis is there, right? So when right parenthesis will occur, what you have to do, again this is the left parenthesis. When you will put this here, it will be the right parenthesis. Inside the left and right parenthesis, whatever operator will be there, that will be pasted here into the output column, right? And this finally this left parenthesis will also removed from here. So what is the equivalent postfix notation of the this given infix? This is the AB plus CD plus star. This is the equivalent postfix expression of the given infix, this one, right? And here I have written some symbol, right? This is the exponent operator, this is the multiplication, and this is the division, this is the plus and minus. So everyone know what is the precedence, and or you can say what is the priority during the solving of the problem, right? Exponent has the higher precedence always, right? If any expression, if this exponent symbol will be there, then that will be evaluated first. After that, star and division, means multiplication and division, these both have the same precedence, means anyone can be solved, right? After that, plus and minus, they also have the same precedence. So you have to remember, this one has the higher precedence, then multiplication and division, or star or division, it has the same precedence. Plus and minus, this has the same precedence, right? So if you are getting this symbol into the expression, right? So higher precedence, right, in the stack, if any higher precedence symbol will be there, right, and you are inserting the means low precedence symbol, then that higher precedence symbol will be copied from here, and that will be pasted into the output. You have to remember these things, okay? So finally, this is the infix notation, sorry, postfix expression of the given infix.